In episode 2, we learned how the underground sea cable connects to the land into an internet exchange center, also known as an IXP. But as that we're always on the internet, what and where does our data package go to, and what is it typically used for? This is a World Wide Web. Let's get gnarly! With internet, we know that there's an upload speed and a download speed. Upload speed is the bandwidth that you send your files up to. So if you're backing up your phone to, like, let's say Google Photos, iDrive, or anything sort of like that, it needs some. And what we mostly use the most that all internet service providers typically give us or charge you is the download speed. Now, why do you say the download speed is the most used? It's because we're always streaming content like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video. We're all using those, YouTube. There's basically anything that we search up, watch, and watch hours on end to binge a show. That's what's being used with the download speed. Now, with the download speed, you also need an upload speed in order to send commands back to the main server. So if you're playing Minecraft, you might be like, I need more download speed. And to me, it's like, no, you got good download speed. You need more upload speed. Now, this is the World Wide Web, Episode 3, Data Packets. To see Episode 2, check it out right here, or a playlist, or whatever just pops up on the screen. It's mostly about the World Wide Web, also known as the WWW. See you on Episode 4, Neighborhood Outlet.